Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be using the Hibiscus Dream palette from Amour'us, and I'm going to get started with the shadow here, and this is Toffee. I'm going to be applying this on my eyelid and blending as well. I'm just going to be repacking this until I get the desired color that I want. The second shadow I'm getting is this one, and it's called Aspen. I'm going to be applying this on the top and then blending those two colors together. Now I'm going to be grabbing this shadow called Flashy. I'm going to be applying this on my outer corner. So I'm going to be doing this in a V shape and then blending in inwards, outwards as well. So I did go ahead and grab a clean brush, and I'm just going to be blending this out. Now I'm going to be using this shadow called Blooming, and I'm going to be applying this with my finger. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this eyeliner, but I thought it was going to be a little brighter, so I just went ahead and left it like that, adding some gold shadow to the inner corner and then some liner. This is the Milani one in matte black. And then going in with some Milani foundation. I had gone already with some moisturizer and some pore filler. I'm going to be blending this out with my sponge. I do like setting my foundation with this L'Oreal pressed powder, so it does give me a little more coverage. I'm just going to be blending this all over my face. Bronzer, I am using the NYX one. Lately I've been grabbing this one. I really like it. And I am going to go in with some blush here to the apples of my cheeks and blending that out. Grabbing some of my Airspun translucent powder. And I am going to be setting under my eyes as well. So I'm using that same brown shadow that I used. I'm just going to be applying this under my waterline. Now I'm going to be applying some highlight. And now for lips, I am going in with a nude lip liner. And I'm just going to be adding some lip gloss from Maybelline, and this is in the number 004 Silk. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys liked this romantic Valentine's Day look. I think it's perfect for the night and even the day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video.